Hey guys, Tastic, and welcome back to Lego Batman the video game. So, last episode, which was just like 2 seconds ago, because I think I'm going to be completing the whole first story, like in this video, probably. So, anyways, in the last part, we took down Mr. Freeze, and Riddler and Two-Face got away. Ah, you dumbasses! You froze one of your own goons. It's a police helicopter! Oh gosh, we gotta get away! There we go, that's a good idea. Okay. Oh, but Batman got some. Yeah. I need to turn on my fan. I'm getting a little hot. Oh, no, yeah, they're scared. Uh-oh. Whoa, Jesus, Commissioner Gordon's fast, isn't he? Yay, we can drive the Batmobile! Yay! When this game first came out, I'm pretty sure this is everyone's favorite part about this game, right? Alright. Bam! Yeah, take that! Alrighty, so... we gotta take down, what do we gotta do? Oh, we gotta take down this guy. Yeah, that's right. Oh, I remember, yeah, then we gotta hook him up to, that, and then we gotta drag him all the way over here. Alright. Here's the bat signal. And then, hook up to... take him away, police officer! There we go. I have a feeling if we just keep, shooting things, we'll get a lot of money. Alright, let me go back up over here and shoot things. Yes, look how much money we're getting. Awesome. Alrighty. Oh, I got a mini kit. Hold on, let me grab that. Robin, grab that mini kit. There we go. Okay. Oh, another mini kit. Oh man, that's awesome. There we go. Alrighty, so just getting a little bit more money here. There we go, I think that's good enough. On to the second stage of the mission. Alright, so we gotta get those 3 Riddler vehicles. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And then hopefully we can take down Riddler and Two-Face. Hopefully one of them, you know. Alright, let's do it. Oh, look how much money that is! Yeah. Come on, Batman, get the mini kit. Okay. Wow, this is really fun to watch. Just me driving around in this mini kit. Why can't I get it? What the fuck? I'm actually like really trying. I guess Batman's vehicle is just too big. I don't know. Alright, so we have to go around apparently. We have to go this way. And now we gotta get the vehicles. Okay, yeah, we gotta destroy those ones. And then, yeah, and then, oh yeah, then we gotta... come back here! Come back here, goddamn you! Let's go! You're going to the summer! Take him away, police officer! Yes! Okay. Destroy these again, shall we? Okay. There we go. We're getting a lot of coins on this mission, so that's good. It's always good to hear. Okay. Oh man, this game is so much fun. Well, I like levels like these. I think these are like the funnest levels to play. Especially for a game as old as this. Like, these are the funnest levels to play. Like, definitely. Alrighty. So, that's the second one we got. So now we gotta get the third one. So let's go get that. Alrighty. Where is the third one? It must be, no, I'm not talking about you guys. It must be over here, I guess, right? Whoa! That was really fast. He has to be over. Where is he? Huh. Oh, that's weird. Where did the third one go? Oh, there he is! Come on. Alright. Alrighty, so I got him. Let's go. You're going to jail. And your car's going to be your car's going to be fucked. I'm sorry to say it, but it's true. Okay. Whoops. Come on, police helicopter, just grab it. You don't have to have my permission. You don't have to wait. Just fucking grab the motherfucker. I'm sorry for swearing so much. It's my personality. Alright, so the police barricades have moved. So we gotta go over here. Come on, Robin! A two-faced armored truck. Okay. Oh shit. The bomb. It's a bomb, Robin! Be careful! Okay. Come on! Yaha! See, you weren't too much of a fight, were ya? Yeah. You're going right to jail. Right back to Arkham Asylum. Yes. Boom! God damn it, Gordon! Why didn't you just fucking grab him? Come on. Okay. Just gotta pour him right there. There we go. Ah! They should just fucking grab him. Why are they throwing bombs at him? It's not hurting him. I'd say by the first time that didn't work, you learned your lesson, right? No. Okay. Come on, you son of a bitch. Oh, fuck you. Alright, let's go. God damn it! Ah, I got away! Okay, once again, we gotta shoot him down. Okay. Come on, there we go. Alrighty. Yeah, they're dead! Oh, that should have killed them! How are they still alive? Come back here, you son of a bitch, you got nowhere to run! They're not gonna let you in. You're fucked! I gotta stop here! Oh no, it's Poison Ivy! God damn it! Oh, he just thinks he's fucking king of the world now. It's a leaf. I really wonder where that came from. Alright, so that was episode 3 of Lego Batman. Yeah, we got 2 more episodes, 2 more missions left on this, and then I'll stop playing for tonight. And then tomorrow night we'll probably play the second story of this game. And then yeah, it'll be pretty cool, and we almost got all of that, but you know. Anyways, click the follow button if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.